Ever spent hours hand polishing your car? Your arms ache, results aren't perfect. Swirls, scratches, and dull paint still remain. I used to dread detailing days, but then I found the AUTIWOZ car buffer polisher. This 6-inch dual-action polisher changed everything. Powerful 805 copper core motor, super efficient. No more weak spots or uneven finishes. 6 variable speeds from 1800 to 4800 RPM. Customize the speed for every detailing need. Start slow for waxing, ramp up for polishing. Constant power soft start, no sudden jerks. Smooth operation even for beginners. Lightweight design saves your energy. Machine replaces hours of manual labor. Plug and play, no waiting for charging. 2 removable handles for better control. Choose side handle or D handle for comfort. Ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during long sessions. Safety switch lock keeps speed steady. No need to hold the button constantly. Let's see it in action on my car. Attach the foam pad for polishing. Set speed to medium, lock the switch. Effortlessly glides over the paint surface. Swirls and scratches disappear before my eyes. Switch to wool pad for a mirror shine. 6-inch pad covers large areas quickly. Results are glossy, smooth, and professional. No streaks, no missed spots, just pure shine. Want to sand or wax? Just swap the pad. Versatile kit includes sandpaper and polishing discs. Works on cars, boats, furniture, even metal. Perfect for DIYers and professional detailers alike. Even beginners get pro-level results easily. I finished my whole car in under an hour. No soreness, no frustration, just satisfaction. Look at this deep, flawless shine. Paint looks brand new, swirls are gone. Friends ask if I got a professional detail. I tell them it's the AUTIWOZ polisher. So simple, anyone can use it. Handles make it safe and comfortable. Variable speeds mean total control. It's built for continuous work. No overheating. High power, high efficiency, low effort. If you love your car, you need this. Stop struggling with hand polishing. Make detailing easy and enjoyable. Get professional results without the cost. Ready to upgrade your car care routine? Try the AUTIWOZ car buffer polisher today. See the difference after just one use. Your car will thank you. Order now and polish like a pro. Trust me, you'll never go back to hand polishing.